I am Anadi Kumar Mistry with you. Hope you all are well. Today we will discuss about some grammatical rules for changing sentence. Let us see some sentences. Number 1, Shuma is a good girl. Here indicated negative. The answer of this question is Shuma is not a good girl, or Shuma is not a bad girl. All the answers are correct for the direction, but a difference between two answers. Number 1, here Shuma is not a good girl. The meaning of this sentence has changed, but last Shuma is not a bad girl. Here the sentence is changed into negative, but the meaning of this sentence is just. So, what will be the today's lesson topics? The lesson topics: sentence change. How can we change any sentence? A sentence can be changed into two processes. Number 1, transduction of sentences. Number 2, transformation of sentences. Transduction of sentences, in this case, not only to change the sentence but also to change the meaning of this sentence. But in transformation of sentences, we can change only the form, but the meaning of this sentence is just. Then that is called transformation of sentences. Actually, our today's lesson is about transformation of sentences from affirmative to negative. Let us know the rules of changing sentence according to the transformation of sentences, and it will be discussed only from affirmative to negative. Let us see the rules with the examples. Here the example, only the moon was visible. The answer of this question, nothing but the moon was visible. From this rule, we can learn, if we find the very beginning of any sentence only or alone, and if it indicates any substance, then we can use nothing but for the omission of only or alone. And if the only or alone indicates any person, then we can use none but. So we can learn from this example, only Allah can save us from COVID-19. The answer of this question is none but Allah can save us from COVID-19, because here only indicates person, and first sentence here only indicates substance. So we are clear that if we find only or alone, and if it indicates any substance, then we can use nothing but for the omission of only or alone, and if we find any person, then we can use none but for the omission of only or alone. But if we find that this only or alone indicates any age, amount, then we can use not more than for the omission of only. Do you understand? Hope you will understand. But I also repeat again. If we find only or alone in any sentences and if it indicates any substance, then we can use nothing but for the omission of only or alone. And if we find any person, then we can use none but. And if we find the age or any amount, then we can use not more than for the omission of only or alone. Okay? Our next rule, here we can see I have to do it. If we find have to, must, had to, then we can put cannot but or could not but according to the subject and tenses. First sentence, I have to do it. Here have to. So we can answer this process cannot but. Or here I must go there, we can also use cannot but. Here I had to do it. Here we can use I could not but because this sentence indicates past form. So here we can use could not but. Clear? If we find in any sentences have to, has to, had to, must, then we can put cannot but or could not but according to the subject and tenses. But another answer can be arisen. Just here, I must do it. We can write the answer of this question, I cannot help doing it. The difference between past sentence and second sentence, here we used help. So after the verb we add ing. So we can learn from this sentence, if we use cannot help or could not help, then we can add ing with after the verbs. Clear? Our next rule. If we find both and, then we can put not only for both and but also for and. After that we can use the subject and last of all. Here both Rohim and Korim went there, so here we have used not only Rohim but also Korim went there. Next rule, everybody loves flower. If we find the subject as everybody, everyone, all, then we can write the answer according to these rules. We can use there is none but for the omission of everybody. Clear? Our next rule, every mother loves her child. We can learn from this example, every mother loves her child. If we find the very beginning of any sentences every, then we can put or we can write there is no and after that the subject. So the answer of this question will be there is no mother but loves her child. Understand? Our next rules we can explain with some examples. She always likes me. If we find in any sentence always, then we can use never for the omission of always, and we can change the opposite meaningful word of likes. Here likes, so here we used dislikes. So answer of this question is she never dislikes me. Next sentence, he is a good boy. If we find any operator mixed sentence, then we put the operator and after that we can put a not and the opposite word of the before word. So here the word good, so opposite word of this word is bad. So the correct answer of this question is he is not a bad boy. Another example, he likes milk. In this sentence there is no operator. Here is only the subject and he is a third person singular number. So here yes used. So in this case we can use do or does or did according to the subject and tense. Here the subject third person singular number and it is present indefinite tense. So here we can use does not. And the opposite word of like is dislike. So the answer of this question is he does not dislike milk. Okay. Our next rule we can explain with the another examples. He sometimes comes here. If we find in any sentence sometimes, then we can put not always for the omission of sometimes. And second sentence, if we find true ... to, then we can use so ... that, and after that the subject or pronoun and cannot / could not according to the subject and tense. So here the correct answer is he is so poor that he cannot buy a car. Our next example, Mita is as beautiful as Rita. And in this case, we will have to realize that the last subject will be the first subject and first subject will be the last subject. So in this situation, we can put the last subject as first subject Rita. And for past as we can use not more and last as we can use than. So the correct answer of this question is Rita is not more beautiful than Mita. Clear? Our next rule we can explain with another example. In this situation, we have learnt about changing sentence from affirmative to negative. For the next time, I am giving some home task for everybody. Now write down on your khata. Number 1, only Tanmoy can do it. Number 2, Ruma is only at 16. Number 3, every lover loves flower. Number 4, I must make a plan. And number 5, we have to stay home to save from COVID-19. Can I repeat again? For your home task, question number 1, from affirmative to negative. Question number 1, only Tanmoy can do it. Number 2, Ruma is only at 16. Number 3, every lover loves flower. Number 4, I must make a plan. And last of all, we have to stay home to save from COVID-19. Thanks all. We will discuss about something on the another class. I hope you will solve these questions and you will show it to your subject teacher after opening your schools. Thanks everybody. Goodbye.